Vinyl is a maker's dream. It can be applied to almost any smooth surface, including walls, glass, ceramic, and more. And in this video series, we'll show you how to get the perfect cut every time using your Cricut machine and any vinyl. Today, we want to make some cute jam jars. For this project, you'll need a Cricut Explore or Cricut Maker machine, a laptop, desktop, or mobile device for Cricut Design Space, a standard grip mat, 3 colors of Cricut vinyl. We're using linen, grape, and rose, transfer tape, a weeding tool, a scraper, a pair of scissors, and a jam jar. Here's how we found this project. From the search bar, we used the pull down to filter by material, and then used keyword jam. This project details page gives us all kinds of useful information, like difficulty level, materials, and assembly instructions, to name just a few. If you want to make any changes to a ready-to-make design, all you have to do is click Customize, and Design Space will load the project onto the canvas, where you can alter as inspired. We want to make this design a little bigger for our jar, so we'll size it up to 3 inches, and then we're all set to move on. In the next video, we'll prepare our mats and cut our vinyl with our Cricut machine. See you there!